Hello, Papa J Learns Excel here. Today I'm going to teach you about order of operations. So as you know, there are many operations that you can do in Excel, which is you can do multiplication, right? You can do division, you can do addition and subtraction. Okay, what else? You also can do exponential. Okay, so you can do various operations like this. So let's dive right into an example to show how you can do it in Excel. So typically, if you have a few numbers over here like this, you might want to do some operations with multiplication and division. So let's take a look at the negative. Let's take a look at objective. Okay, the objective that you want over here for these four numbers is you want to take 5 multiplied by 7 plus 4 and the total divided by 9. Okay, I repeat. So the objective over here is to take 5 times 7, which is 35 plus 4 equals to 39 divided by 7 divided by 9. Okay, but what if you do this? What if you do this? You take 5 times 7 plus 4 divided by 9. Is this the answer that you want? No. So this is the wrong answer, right? The correct answer should be this 5 times 7 plus 4 and this whole thing divided by 9. So this should be the correct answer, 4.3 and not 35.4. So in order to remember what you can do during the formula, right, is to take note of a few things. To take note of the order operations. Okay. So let's take a look. Okay, so you must remember this thing called the PEMDAS. Okay, PEMDAS. Okay, this is called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. Okay, but I don't like to use the word parentheses. I use the word brackets. So it means the same thing, parentheses. So parentheses will always come first, followed by exponential, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So you can see over here, right? Okay, what it does is it will take 5 times 7, okay, 35 over here, and plus this over here, plus D1 divided by E1. So it will do it. It will take D1 divided by E1, which is 4 divided by 9. The results you will be added to 35 over here. So this is not what you want, right? So you can put parentheses. Actually, to be safe in Excel operations, right? You just put parentheses, but of course not too much. Otherwise, you will make the formula very cluttered, and you'll be hard to identify. So you put parentheses when necessary, like this. Okay, but you also can take out the parentheses over here, right? You can take out parentheses over here if you are not confused. So this is much clearer to me, okay? Because more people will understand that B1 multiplied by C1, the results will be added to P1, right? And then just put parentheses around here before dividing by P1. So this is a safer method, and it's very clear when people look at the formula, okay? Right. So if we take an example for exponential over here, so let's take for example, let's take 5 5 times 7 to the power of 2 square. 2 is square. Okay, so 245. Okay, so what happens over here is, okay, the power 2 will be applied to C1. So which is 7 to the power of 2 equals to 49. 49 multiplied by 5, you get 245. But if your intention is not this, if your intention is 5 times 7 to the power of 2, you must put a parenthesis. Okay, and this will be the correct result. If this is your intention, you have to put a parenthesis before applying the power. Okay, so as you know over here, the power comes first, right? Then it will be multiplied by P1. Okay, so just take note of this. So parentheses will always come first. Okay, followed by exponential, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So addition and subtraction, they are the same order. Multiplication and division, they are the same order. Okay, and just one more thing to show you. Shortcut for power, you can use this thing over here, inverted V over here, or you can use the function power. Okay, you can also do this. Okay, you type out POW power 5 multiplied by 7. Okay, 2. You also get the same answer. Okay, you can either use this method or use this, but this, if your formula is not complicated, you can just use this. But if you have a long string of formulas, right, it's better to use this so that this is clearer. Okay, sometimes okay, both are fine. All right, so just remember PEMDAS. Okay, use parentheses as and when, and try our best to keep it short and simple. Okay, that's all for this video over here on PEMDAS. This is Papa J learning Excel here. Thank you and see you. Bye.